And this is exactly like saying y equals 2x plus 3. So now they're saying find f of -1. So what they did, they're telling you when x is -1, because this is f of x, and instead of x now they wrote -1. So they're saying when x is -1, solve. So all you need to do, just go to this equation right here and sub in -1 for x plus 3, which gives you -2 plus 3, which gives you 1. Here is one for fun. How about if they say f of cats? So instead of x, now they have cats. Therefore, instead of this x, also you substitute cats for this x as well. So you'll get 2 cats plus 3, and this is as far as you could go. Now, this make it a little bit more challenging. So now they're saying f of x plus 1. F of x plus 1 is the same as 2. And you substitute the x plus 1 in here as well. And then just solve. And that gives you 2x plus 2 plus 3. And that gives you 2x plus 5. But now when they say f of x equals -5, just think of this equation right here. This is basically what f of x is. Means this is what the y value is. So they told you the y value is -5. So here, what they want you to do, they want you to find x, not f of x. So therefore, you go to this equation here, y is -5. So you sub in -5 for y equals 2x plus 3. Now you solve for x. So I just move the 3 to the other side. And when you move things to the other side, here it's plus. It becomes -3 equals 2x. That's -8 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2 x equals -4.